Taking flight. Introducing the PowerUp FPV, a revolutionary blend of traditional paper airplanes and modern drone technology. The PowerUp FPV is more than just a paper airplane. It's a sophisticated drone cleverly disguised as a simple paper plane. This innovative device combines the nostalgic joy of crafting and flying paper airplanes with the cutting-edge excitement of drone technology. Imagine the thrill of seeing your paper airplane soar through the sky, powered by advanced drone components. The PowerUp FPV module is equipped with a high-quality camera, allowing you to capture stunning aerial views. Additionally, it features a Bluetooth module, enabling seamless connectivity with your smartphone. This means you can control your paper airplane drone directly from your smartphone, making the experience even more interactive and fun. With the first-person view (FPV) feature, you can see exactly what your airplane sees as it flies, giving you a bird's-eye perspective. In this guide, we'll walk you through the entire process of assembling and flying your PowerUp FPV. We'll cover everything step by step to ensure you have a smooth experience. We'll start with the basics of folding the airplane, ensuring you get the perfect shape for optimal flight. Next, we'll show you how to attach the PowerUp FPV module securely to your paper airplane. And finally, we'll guide you through the exciting process of launching your drone and taking to the skies. Whether you're a seasoned paper airplane enthusiast or a drone hobbyist looking for a new challenge, the PowerUp FPV offers a unique and thrilling experience that combines the best of both worlds. So, get ready to take flight and explore the skies like never before with the PowerUp FPV. Folding your Invader from paper to plane. In this chapter, we'll guide you through the process of creating the perfect paper airplane, known as the Invader. This design is specifically crafted to work seamlessly with the PowerUp FPV module, transforming a simple paper plane into a high-tech flying machine. The PowerUp FPV uses a special paper airplane design called the Invader. This design is not just any ordinary paper plane, it's engineered for stability and optimal flight performance. The design looks simple, but it's important to fold it correctly. Precision is key here, as even a slight misalignment can affect the flight dynamics. Accurate folds will make your plane fly better. Each crease and fold contributes to the aerodynamics, ensuring a smooth and controlled flight. Start by folding the paper in half lengthwise. This initial fold sets the foundation for the rest of the plane, then unfold it. This creates a center crease. The center crease is crucial as it acts as a guide for the subsequent folds. Fold the top two corners of the paper inward. Make sure the edges are sharp and precise. Align the corners with the center crease. This alignment ensures that the plane will be symmetrical, which is vital for balanced flight. This forms a triangle shape at the top. The triangle is the nose of your plane, giving it a streamlined shape. Fold the outer edges of the plane inward. These folds will create the wings and body of the plane. Align the edges with the center crease again. This step is crucial for maintaining the plane's symmetry and balance. Now you have a long, narrow plane shape. This shape is designed to cut through the air with minimal resistance. Fold the wings down. Use the bottom edge of the folded triangle as a guide. The wings are essential for lift and stability. Your Invader is ready for the PowerUp FPV module. Attach the module, and you're all set to experience the thrill of flying your very own high-tech paper airplane. Powering up. Attaching the module. The PowerUp FPV module is the brains of your paper airplane drone. It's important to attach it securely to the plane. First, open the clamps on the underside of the module. Slide the front of the paper airplane into the module. Make sure the nose of the plane sits flush against the front of the module. Close the clamps to secure the module to the plane. Check that the module is centered on the plane. Make sure it's not tilted to one side. A well-balanced plane will fly better. Section 4. App Connection. Your phone takes control. In this section, we will guide you through the process of connecting your smartphone to the PowerUp FPV module, transforming your paper airplane into a high-tech drone. The PowerUp FPV app is your control center for your paper airplane drone. This app allows you to manage every aspect of your drone's flight, from takeoff to landing. Download the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. It's available for both iOS and Android devices, ensuring compatibility with most smartphones. Open the app and create an account. This will allow you to save your flight data and access additional features. Turn on the PowerUp FPV module. Make sure it's fully charged for optimal performance. It's the black button on top. Press and hold it until the LED light starts blinking. The app will search for nearby Bluetooth devices. Ensure your smartphone's Bluetooth is turned on. Select your PowerUp FPV module from the list. This will establish a connection between your smartphone and the drone. The app will confirm the connection. Look for a connection successful message on your screen. Now you can access the app's features. Explore the different options available to enhance your flying experience. This includes flight modes, camera view, and battery life. Customize your settings to suit your flying style. You're almost ready to fly. With everything set up, get ready to take your paper airplane drone to the skies and enjoy the thrill of flight. Section 5. Flight Modes, Gamepad versus VR. The PowerUp FPV app offers two flight modes, Gamepad mode and VR mode. Gamepad mode uses your phone's screen as a controller. You tilt your phone to steer the plane. VR mode uses a VR headset, sold separately. This provides an immersive first-person view from the plane's camera. Experiment with both modes. Find the one you prefer. Gamepad mode is great for beginners. VR mode offers a thrilling, immersive experience. Whichever mode you choose, the PowerUp FPV is sure to provide hours of fun.